Good morning, class. My name is Mr. Garren. I'll be your physical education teacher for today. My signal for attention is my whistle. When you hear this, will you please stop what you're doing and listen for further instructions? Now today we are starting our rugby unit, our touch rugby unit actually. Can't have full contact because of health issues. But can anybody tell me what American sport is similar to rugby? Jesse. That's correct. Football is similar to touch rugby in the fact that you toss the ball around the field and try to score a touchdown. But unlike football, you are not allowed to do a forward pass in rugby, so you have to lateral it. And today I will be teaching you the fundamentals of a lateral pass. I have 4 cues here that I feel would help you perfect the thing. As I demonstrate the skill, I'll point out the cues. Brianna, can you help me, please? So for the lateral, you want to make sure someone is behind you and pass it like this. Now while doing it, you want to make sure that your hands are placed on the ball with your dominant hand at the back of the ball and your non-dominant hand at the front to guide it. And your thumbs are going to be straight. Next, you want to have a nice athletic stance with your feet shoulder width apart. And that will allow you to, when you bring the ball back for the next cue, which is swing, to allow you to pivot, rotate your hip, and release. Next would be your release. After you swing, you want to swing the ball across. You want to make sure that you fully extend your arms and push toward your target so that it is accurate. Now, can anybody tell me what the third cue is? Let's just shout it out. Anybody?
Swing.
Swing? That is correct. Does anybody know what that means? Jesse?
You want to rotate your hips to the opposite side and then swing through it and release.
That's right. You want to rotate your hips backwards and then bring the ball forward. Can anybody tell me what is important about your hands? Ashley?
Dominant hands at the back of the ball, your non-dominant hands at the front.
That's right. Your dominant hands at the back of the ball and your non-dominant hands at the front. Now, to help them now I have a drill set up that will help you guys practice your lateral passing. We have 5 stations. There are 3 groups of 3 and 2 groups of 4. And can I get Rudy, Kelsey, and Brianna to help me show you just how the drill will work quickly? Can you guys please face over here to see the full demonstration? Alright. You want to just it's more, the group of 4 is set up in more of a rhombus, so this way you always have someone that is behind you that allows you to lateral it to them. And make sure that while you're doing this, you're focusing on the cues of keeping your hands, your non-dominant at the back or at the front and your dominant at the back. Step or swinging your arms across and releasing it and having a nice athletic stance. So when I say go, I would like you guys to check the list over there for your groups and head to your proper stations and wait for further instructions. Ready, go. Thanks. All right, class, we got 10 seconds. And when you get to your station, please wait for my further instructions. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, class, now, is anybody confused at what station they're at?
I think we should switch with them.
Do you guys have 4?
3 of them, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Will the group of 3 please go over here, and the group of 4 come over here? Oh, you guys are missing someone. So Jesse, you can go with one of the group of 3s, and Ashley go with the other group of 3. So then we'll just have 3 or 4 groups of 4. All right, guys. Can we just hustle? Sorry, I know you're hurt, Jesse. All right, now can I please have everyone start the drill?
I've never touched on it in my life. How do you do it?
All right, put your non-dominant hand at the front. So are you right-handed or left-handed?
I think
And then-
I don't really know.
All right, so you want to hold it just like this.
Okay.
And when you do it, just rotate just like that. There you go. That's good. Just next time, just try to rotate a little more. Put a little more spin on it. Good job, Rob. Nice spin on the ball. Good job, Mr. Rogers, with the step and the swing. There you go, Rob. Nice step, nice stance. There you go. Nice step, Maurice. You got your stance going good. All right, Abby. Nice release. You just want to try and stay more balanced, and then the ball might just stay.
Out of my hands.
All right, you put your right hand right here at the back, and you want to make sure your thumbs are forward. Put your left hand here and just roll it just like that. There you go, much better, much better. Keep it up, guys. Make sure you keep doing hands, stance, swing, and release. Yep. Can everybody put the equipment down, please? Can everybody come over here? I want to, or you guys can stand right by the free throw line. I want to make sure everyone knows the technique, because I've seen that a lot of people have a misunderstanding about how the hands go on the ball. I'm left-handed, so that's my dominant hand. It goes on the back of the ball, and then my non-dominant hand goes on the front. And when you come back, you want to just release and push your hands forward, keeping your hands straight and your thumbs pointing out toward your target. Emily, would you like to help me demonstrate, please? So you want to go just like that. Now put your non-dominant hand at the front and your dominant hand at the back. And all right. So now you want to add some spin. You want to put your dominant hand more on the side of the back of the ball, and then your non-dominant hand more on the bottom. So then it creates the spin as you push forward. Yeah. There you go. A little better. Can you just try it one more time? So class, can someone tell me what the cues are? Maurice, what's the first cue?
Hands.
What does that mean?
Hands, I guess you're going to have the proper hand movement. Your dominant hand up top, your non-dominant hand in the back, so you have the proper, like that.
Your dominant hand would be in the back, and your non-dominant's in the front. Okay. But yes, you want to have your non-dominant hand in the front and your dominant hand in the back. What's the second cue? What does the stance mean? Okay. Can we go back into our groups and try this one more time, class? Okay. All right, class. Just hustle it up, please. And you can start the drill. Oh, by the way, class, I would like to let you all know that you need to just pay attention when the ball's coming at you, because you don't want to get hit with it. And just make sure that if you drop the ball to look around that you don't collide with another group or get hit with their ball. Now go. Can we see some spin on the ball, please, class? Just keep it up. Good job, Mr. Rogers. Oh, Abby, just wanna make sure you just keep your hands straight. You don't have to twist your wrist to make it spin. The natural movement of the ball will spin it. Good job, Rob. Nice way to do the cues. Way to go, Maurice. Good technique. Keep it up. Oh. There you go, Emily. It's a lot better. It's a lot better. It's getting better. Keep practicing. You want your dom just like that and just. There you go. Much better. Much better. All right, class, can we put down the equipment and come in? Hustle up, please. And have a seat when you get here. The most common mistake I saw today, it corrected a lot from the beginning to the end, is just the hand placement. And you want to make sure you have your dominant hand at the back of the ball, more toward the side, and your non-dominant hand up front, more toward the bottom. So when you swing, it comes almost naturally, rotates the ball. But other than that, I would like to say I'm very impressed with you guys today. And next class, we'll be continuing on this, but we will start going from a stationary position to a moving. And I would like to thank you guys for a great class today, and have a good day.